Hey guys, welcome back to our channel The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about semester long internship offered by IIT Mumbai. Registration for this internship has already started from 8th January and is going to end by 5th February. I know that it's a bit late to inform you guys, but still the registration is open and you can register for this internship. To make this internship reach whoever is interested and deserves it, you have to share this video as much as possible so that they know about this semester long internship by FOSSEE. This internship is going to be for 3 to 4 months.
There are just 3 simple steps that you have to follow if you want to apply for this internship. First, you have to select the project which you are interested in and register for this, and then you have to submit the task, and further you will be selected based on your screening test. So let us see what are the benefits for this internship. You will be getting an opportunity to work with faculty from IIT Bombay for almost a semester, and also you will receive certificate of internship upon successful completion, and you will be getting recognition from the FOSSEE website. So on the website we can see everything in detail. As I mentioned before, to get shortlisted for this internship, you have to select one of the projects which are mentioned below, and after that you will be getting a screening task link to your email ID with which you have registered in the application form. The selection will be purely based upon the screening task, and all these details I have already told you before. You can also see the poster by clicking on that. So let us see what all projects are offered in this internship. As you can see below, all these different types of areas are offered in this website, like OpenFOAM, eSIM, Arduino web development, common interface projects, R programming language, and many more. So by clicking on each project you can see what are the requirements and how the internship is going to be, and all the necessary details regarding the internship. In this way you can see about every project and then decide which project you will be interested in and apply for that. If you are interested in multiple projects, you can also select each one and submit the form. So this is the application or the registration form you can call. So all these details should be filled by you. Also you have to mention the email ID of your HOD or any faculty member for further references. Everyone who are enrolled in PhD, Masters or Bachelor's program can apply for this internship. You should also mention if you are studying your first year or second year and so on. And all these necessary details should be filled by you. Here you have to choose the project you are interested in. If you are interested in multiple projects, you have to submit the form individually. Like if you are submitting one form for R programming, you have to submit another form for another project. Also, if you think that you are going to have any examination, you can specify that also, and you can also say how you got to know about this internship and why do you want to participate in this internship. After filling out all the details, you just have to click on submit button and submit your application. Remember, the deadline is 5th February, so be sure that you're submitting before the deadline, and share this video as much as possible to let your friends also know about this internship. If you feel this video informative, hit the like button and also hit the bell icon if you want to receive latest notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching guys. Happy learning.